Hi guys, welcome to Linux YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I am your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video I will tell you how to work with Uniq command in Linux. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the lab session, we have to understand few points, which is what is Uniq command and its use cases. So Uniq command is used to remove all repeated lines from a file. Also, it can be used to display a count of any word, repeated lines, ignore characters, and compare specific fields. It is one of the most frequently used command in Linux system. It is called all the identical lines and write the output. So let's start the lab session and we will see how it is useful for Linux administrator for the day-to-day work. For the demonstration purpose, I am using RHEL 9 virtual machine. As you can see, this is my Linux terminal, and let me show you the OS release version of this machine first. So I'm run cat etc release file. See, you can see that currently I'm working RHEL 9. Let me tell you the syntax of Uniq command. So command is Uniq, then you have to mention options, and then you have to mention the file name. Simple. Whatever the file name you want to go with the Uniq command. So let's start some hands-on with the Uniq command and see how it's useful for us. Okay, suppose you have a file name demo.txt. In my case, I have a file name demo.txt which contains repeated lines that needs to be omitted. So this can simply be done by the Uniq command easily. So let me show the file content first. So cat demo.txt, look at that. So here you can see that I love Linux is repeated 3 times, and then Red Hat Linux, and then again I love Linux, and thanks for watching. Okay, so here you can see that the above file contains multiple duplicate lines. Now let's use Uniq command to remove them. So how can I do that? Simple, run Uniq and the file name. File name is demo.txt. See, as you can see that we just need the name of the input file in the above Uniq command example. And as we didn't use any output file to store the output, the Uniq command displays the filtered output on the standard output with all the duplicate lines removed. So this is the temporary environment. You can see that it's a temporary output you have seen in your terminal. It is not permanently saved in demo.txt file. So if you want to save that standard output in your case in a particular permanent file, what you will do, you will go with the redirection, and with the help of output redirection you can save it into the new file name. So what I am going to do, say Linux, that's it. So here you can see that if I open cat Linux, this is my permanent entry. So here is the new file I'm creating with the help of redirection symbol, which is output redirection. So this is how you can filter it out and remove the duplication in a easy term. So we have a number of options are available with the Uniq command. Now let's start with some important options which is come with Uniq command option. See, first of all, I am talking about small c, which is very important. See, all options are available. If I go with the Uniq -help, see, look at that, the all options are available, C, D, capital D, F. So you can go one by one, it's total up to you. So I started with small c -c. So it tells the number of times a line was repeated. So if I go with cat demo, see, just try to compare it from here, say Uniq -c and demo.txt. So at the starting of each line, it repeats its number is displayed. See, 3 times, 1 time, something like that. We have one more option which is -d. So use small -d, it only prints the repeated line. So if you want to see only the print the repeated line, you have the option, you can go with -d. See, it's only repeat duplicate line, which is I love Linux in the given file, the demo.txt. This is the original one, so I can remove the duplicacy and just grab the output. Similarly, we can also use capital D instead of small d. I can use capital D. See what happened with when I'm going with capital D. See, capital D, it show all duplicate lines are displayed. So these are the duplicates line which are coming from demo.txt file. We have one more option which is -u. So -u option, that means it prints only the unique line. So what I will do, I will go replace capital D with a small -u. So press enter. See, Red Hat Linux, I love Linux, and thanks for watching. These are Uniq. So only Unique slides are displayed from that particular file, whatever the file I'm mentioning with the Uniq command. We can go with the another option, which is -i option. -i means ignore case. So using -i option, it is used to make the comparison case insensitivity. By default, the comparison done are the case sensitive, but with this option, case insensitivity comparison can be made. So let me show the another file for this demonstration. Say cat, I have file 1.txt. Look at that. I love music, and thanks. So see here, here is in this case sensitivity environment. So to comparison case insensitive, what we can use small -i. So I can go with Uniq -i in the file name. So now second line is remove when -i option is used. So this is how you can use case -i option, which is very important for us. And let's move some other interesting option, which is skip field. So we can ask Uniq to ignore a number of fields with -f option. It allows you to skip n number of fields of a line before determine the uniqueness of a line. So let me show the file for this one. Say I have a file name.txt. Look at that. So in this name.txt file, here I have mentioned few name with the first and the second name option. Say first option, the second option, or you can say this is the first field or second field. Okay, so now I want to skip the first field and running Uniq command to find out duplicacy. So how can I do that? So I can say Uniq -f1 and the name.txt. So what happened? Let's see what happened when I press enter. See, the following command give unique last name entry. It's unique last name. Earlier the name is duplicated. 1, 2, see, Jan, John. See, now it's only one. Okay, so this following command give the unique last name and remove the duplicacy. So I want to just skip the first one, the first field. I want to skip the first field and I got the output. Similarly, in the same manner, we have the another option, which is skipping characters. Sometimes we might want to skip over or ignore a certain number of characters while looking for a duplicate values. We can achieve this by using -small s flag. So suppose I have a file. Let me show the file record. Okay, so here I have a file with some duplicacy. Now I can go with through Uniq command with small -s flag for skipping characters. So Uniq small s8, say record. So what does it mean s8? In this command I am using small s flag to tell Uniq to skip over the first 8 character. First 8, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. These are 8 characters. Okay, doing this leave the Uniq with just the doctor and the helper's name to be filtered, and as expected it's remove duplicacy. So I am just skipping 8 character. So this is how I grab the output with the help of Uniq command. Okay, hopefully it's good for you. Similarly, we have one more interesting option, which is small w with the n number of n options. Say small w used for check characters. So check characters means we can limit the number of characters to be scanned with the -w option. Let me show you the another file for the better explanation. Say I have a file input.txt. Look at that. So input.txt, here I am using -w. So in the input.txt file we are having a 3 record starting from the 3 letter, that is words. Say how. With the help of -w, say how 3 character, okay, or you can say 3 letter. So with the help of -w option and n value, say I'm saying I can go with Uniq -w, say 3. Okay, I'm explaining one more time. In the input.txt file we are having 3 record starting from 3 letter words. First, second, third, first, second, third, and first, second, third. Okay, this is how. With the help of -w option, I am mentioning the n value, which is third. We will skip the initial third character of input on file and remove the duplicacy. So what happens once I press enter? You can see that. So this is how it can remove the duplicacy with the help of -w means check particular character. So I just check 3 character, and on the basis of these 3 character they remove the duplication environment. So guys, this is how we can work with the Uniq command in Linux. Apart of these options, there are many useful options are available in the Uniq documentation. Here I demonstrate few important options which are very useful for day-to-day work for Linux administration. And for more information you can refer the man command. So you can go with the man, and the n number options are available, and every important informations are clearly mentioned here. So you can just read the manual for this one. Finally, this is the end of this topic. Hopefully you enjoyed, you learn new things, and soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something is, please reach out through my social media links which is mentioned in the description. If you feel or if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.